What's going on, everybody? It's game time, and today I'm going to be opening 2018 Ultimate Leaf Draft Baseball. I've been enjoying opening up these Leaf Hobby boxes despite the fact that they go against my don't open boxes with just a few cards rule. I've opened so much, of the base heavy stuff that at this point, honestly, I'm just kind of drowning in base cards. So this Leaf adventure, I don't know what else to call it, is actually kind of welcomed at the moment. So I noticed that this Ultimate Draft Baseball had come out. I'm still checking out some other Leaf stuff to see what the other options are, and I found a few that will be here hopefully before the end of the week. We'll see. But 6 autographs here. I did not do very well. I don't know if you remember, or actually I haven't posted it yet. I'm way behind because I've opened so much stuff lately, but I opened the football of this as well, and I'll go ahead and tell you in advance that I didn't pull anything too crazy. But it's funny, I was talking about the redemptions. I actually did pull a redemption out of that and submitted it to Leaf, and they had it back to me like in a flash, like so fast. It was like ridiculous. All right, I'm pulling these out and I'm gonna put them under the box like I did the others without looking, trying not to look. Okay. All right, like I said, 6 cards, just doing one at a time. First one is Andrew Knizner. I don't know if it's Kaiser. I don't know if the N's silent. I have no idea who this is. I have noticed that Leaf has a slick little website that lets you search for the prospects by name and then gives you lots of good information on them, so that's very helpful. So there's card 1. This is a thick stock card, so that's kind of cool. Alright, number 2. Oh, Robert. That's sweet. This is like a 91 reprint. Gold Leaf rookies. Is it 91 or 92? I can't remember. Anyways, good pull, Robert. Sweet little on-card autograph. There we go. Number 3 is Xavier Edwards. I think I have heard that name. A little disappointed that out of half the box already and not a single numbered card. It's kind of stinky. Number 4. DJ Peters. I think he's Dodgers prospect. Pretty sure. Yeah. Didn't he already come up and play for a little while? And had a little hot streak, or am I thinking of somebody else? So that's number 4. 5 is, yes, Nick Madrigal. Sweet. So that's Robert and Madrigal. This is a solid box. There we go. Gold Leaf Stars. 2 really solid hits in this box. So I'm happy no matter what the last card is, which we're about to look at. And that is Vladimir Guerrero Jr. 10 out of 15. Boom. 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 Yes. Look at that. Oh, baby. That is... what a box. Another Gold Leaf Stars. Wow. Alright. Solid as a rock. That's what this box is. Okay, Madrigal, Guerrero out of 15. Peters, Edwards, Robert, solid. And Knizner. Just call him Andrew. He doesn't mind if we just call him Andrew. Alright. Wow. Okay then. Love it. Yep, see, that's another reason I'm kind of liking this leaf stuff. I mean, usually you're guaranteed to get one really good hit, and then sometimes you get three. So that's that for that box. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back with my next break very, very soon. I got all kinds of stuff on the way. So if you haven't subscribed already, now's the time to do so. Take care.